About whether AI has affected the job opportunities for copywriting, that's a good question because a lot of people have a few videos on this, but I'll go into it here as well. A lot of people are letting this be a question that might make them hesitant about the career outlook for writers now that AI is on the scene. What I have seen for the past year, I've seen like this uprising of this AI craze. How I believe it has affected copywriters is that anyone who has a specialty and is properly positioned doesn't have to worry about that. That's just what I've seen. I think a lot of specifically B2B companies who thought that they were going to be able to replace writers with this technology found out quickly that they couldn't. So there's always going to be a need for writers with subject matter expertise. I think it has definitely replaced basic SEO writers who didn't have a niche and didn't have a specialty. But I think that there's still a need for copywriters specifically. And I'm living proof of that. I've seen other writers be living proof of that as well. AI just isn't at that point where it's completely wiping out writers. And if anything, it just helped writers because it's something I use heavily in my own business.